Okay, I will show an example how you can get the original codes for everything inside this database. For that, you want to use the inventory or inventora. You go here to create a new one. As we already have one created, I'll just go here instead. So this is an empty one. So I open up, after you create an inventory file from here, it will be in this list. So open up the file and add the parts to it. For instance, in our system, everything that is properly coded has a location in the warehouse system. So everything that starts with 1 comma is correct in our system. It takes a big file, so you can take everything out by searching like this. But as I want it to be a bit faster, I will just take out the Volvo parts. So I will search for them. This might take a bit. Okay. Once it stops loading all the files, you can add them to the system. You select them all and you add them to the system. To make sure, you want to see that these marks are in place. So, it's back to the left. Everything is unselected. Okay, no. Select everything, add them to the inventory. Now, it will take a few seconds for all the parts to be added, and after that, it will take you back to the inventory list. As this is a big operation, it might take a few minutes. Okay. And now the list has been created and the parts have been added. It takes you back to this page. So open up the page again, and it will have all the parts you requested to be added to the list in here. So once the page finishes loading, you can take out an Excel spreadsheet of it. So I'm going to wait another minute for all the data to be loaded on the page. While doing these big database requests for VOK, it will be a bit slow. So just have a bit of patience. Still loading. It's going higher and higher. Okay, it finished. You can take out the Excel file from here. It's going to upload a file. Once it's done, you can open it. And it will bring you a file like this. It's best to save it in a different format so you can keep the data. So I'll just add all the filters, and here are the original numbers you were looking for. And over here is the vehicle ID, and this is the part ID number. So you can just filter out empty ones or the ones that have a value. And then you have all the parts with the original code for the Volvos. In our case, it would be like 8,000 something. And then you can play around with different filters, like here's the if the part has a price, and so on and so on.